If you're entering 2024 as a programmer without using these tools, you're making a huge mistake. A good programmer always uses his time wisely, looks for an easy way out and get the job done. I'm leaving you with one of the best productivity tools to use in 2024. So if you're somebody forgetting stuff, unable to manage your time, or struggle with coding in other ways, this video is absolutely for you. Extensions. As its name suggests, they provide extensions to your existing tool that you are using. So if you are using VS Code, a Chrome browser, or any other tool, you always have the chance to install and make use of their extensions. They make your life a lot easier as a programmer. So go install some of the extensions and save your time. GitHub. I'm sure you have heard of it. GitHub is an online software development platform that allows you to share, collaborate, and make projects as a group. Every programmer should use it as something to showcase your work at least. Go ahead and create your account now by following some simple prompts. Once done, create your repository where you can upload your project. You can even host your work for free using GitHub Pages. Notion. Have you ever struggled with scheduling upcoming projects, forgetting some really important terms? This app is gonna save your life. A community-based app to take notes with rich text formatting, images, and other multimedia elements. You can make changes to your information even when offline. It comes with a robust search functionality, which makes it easier to search in no time. It has a bunch of more amazing features like customizing appearance, connecting third-party tools and services like GitHub, Google Drive, and most importantly, its availability for multiple platforms. Stack Overflow. A community-driven platform that allows users to ask questions, share their knowledge, and learn from others. While there's a full-fledged thread for coders, whatever problem you search for, you'll always find a solution there. Utilize this amazing platform and make your programming journey way easier. ChatGPT. This tool won't replace you, but instead we can utilize it to our advantage. This generative form AI tool can help you generate pieces of code and even entire applications. Why not use it to produce codes and add it to our existing code to save millions of hours? Go ahead and create your account right now. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.